back to my channel, you guys. So today I am going to finally be trying out the Style Fetcher Edge Booster Styling Gel. I already got it open because there's a million videos already. I wanted to make sure that the other products I was using today was going to mix with this, and I mixed them, let it dry, and so far so good with that. So I got it in pineapple, y'all. This stuff so thick, like it literally, it does not come out of there at all. I am going to be pairing it with Eaton Body Works. I already got the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm going to apply this Curl Jam next. I already prepped my hair, of course you can see that, and to prep my hair I shampooed with the OGX Charcoal Detox Purifying Shampoo, and then I deep conditioned with the Main Choices Tropical Moringa Deep Conditioner, and like I said, I put in the leave-in. So y'all don't watch the million of my twist out videos, y'all know how those work. I'm going to section off my hair, and then I'm going to apply the product. So I'm going to apply the Curl Jam, and then I'm going to apply the gel, twist it up. We're going to let it air dry overnight, and then we'll see how this actually turns out. So let's just get right into the video. Alright, so in this section I have already applied the jam. I forgot to hit record, but I already applied the jam here. Take a little bit of gel and apply that to the section. And my regular twist. I'm gonna go ahead and say what I think about this gel. From a lot of videos that I was watching, they were saying it was really drying, and it kind of sort of does feel like it's kind of drying. And that's why I'm making sure that I have a lot of moisture on my hair. So I have my water bottle, and of course, Eaton Body Works, their products are really moisturizing. So I already know that they're not going to fail me. But this gel definitely feels drying. That is my first twist there. Looking pretty good. So, alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how this is reacting on my hair. And honestly, I think there's another gel that not working. So I'm making sure that my hair is soaked, and this water is warm water. And y'all, I've been having the most problems with my hair here lately because I believe, I can't think of what stage my hair is in growth, but I have a lot of new growth, and basically when you go through that phase, which I'll try to put it up on this video when I remember, go back and look, see which phase my hair is in. But when you're going through this phase and you're getting that new growth, it's basically back like when you were transitioning, where it was hard to detangle. So right in here where my hair is growing like new strands, oh my gosh, the worst when it comes to detangling. I'm gonna go back in with some more leave-in. See right in there, right here, that's how long my new growth is, and it's really a hassle, y'all. Really. Okay. So I've got it all detangled. The rest of this here, and put the curl cream in, the jam, putting it on, and then I'm going with the gel. most of y'all just would, I mean, it looks fine and everything, but my roots are still so bushy. I don't know. So I don't really see a difference with this gel. I'm gonna keep using it just so I can get the maximum definition. But honestly, I could get this same look here without the gel. Gel's not gonna be my prerogative anymore. They are not gonna be something that I'm seeking out to work in my hair, honestly. So, all right, y'all. So it is the next day, and I've already started to take this side of my hair out because I have somewhere to be, and I forgot to start recording. So, anywho, the gel. Let me take this gum out first. Y'all, this gel got my hair, like back here especially, feeling real hard. It feels really hard, y'all. And up here is softer. So it's really weird. It's really weird. But when I tell you this back here is crunchy, it's crunchy. Like crunchy. Now the definition is on point. I will give it that. But I'll also say, the one thing I noticed when I was applying this is, like I stated earlier, it is very drying. You can immediately feel it sucking everything out of your hair. So you definitely need to make sure that it is moisturized. This stuff right here, I don't know. Overall, would I be able to use this for wash and go? I don't think I would. I just opt to do butters or creams only. Like, when it comes to any style that I really do, I'm not a fan of gel. I wanted to give it a whirl, give it a try, just so I can try something new to see if I can get me a wash and go. Like, I really want to get the perfect one. But when you have your hair look like this after a twist out, I mean, who's checking for a wash and go? Not me. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm not checking for a wash and go. So, like I said, it feels really good. I can still feel the product a little bit on my hand. I'll definitely probably have to put an oil over this to break some of this cast off. And that's the definition. This is one I have not separated. That is the definition of it. Y'all, I remember what this feeling feels like. So it feels like beeswax. So if you ever use beeswax or any type of wax in general, that's what this feels like when dry. Like me going through my hair right now, the residue that I have on my fingers is that of a wax. I don't know if it is the gel or the combination of the product, but I feel like it's the gel. That's the last thing I put on my hair for twisting it. Alright, so I've taken this side out, and y'all can clearly see that this side, it's not the gel's fault, it's not the product's fault. I got to this side and I was a little bit tired, and then I was hungry, so I kind of sort of rushed, and I did bigger sections. So this side is fluffier. So I'm going to, even though I don't normally do that, I'm going to have to fluff out this side to make it the same as this side, so we don't be looking crazy out here in the field. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do. I'm not going to use any utensil. I'm going to use my finger. Just have one back here. We always have that one that gets lost in the sauce. Alright, so I'm going to take my hands, fingers, and I'm going to just pull it just so it gets bigger. And I might have to separate a few more, just so I know. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do with this. So yeah, so like I said, the 3 items that I use Eden Body Works, a foam conditioner, the curl gel, and then I topped it with the mousse, with the gel. The gel feels really waxy. Do I love this gel? I am still not loving any gels. Honestly, not loving any gels. I've been seeing some other videos here in the last day where people are using this on their slick back ponytails. This is probably what this will be used for, because as far as my hairstyle goes, I can get these results without the gel and it be a lot more moisturized. And like I said, I don't have that film that I feel on my fingers right now. Does my hair look good? Yes, of course it does. But can I skip that extra step? Sure, definitely can skip that. So, what y'all think? Alright, so that is it for this video. If you love this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and subscribe down there. Go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below if you've used any of the Style Factor gels. If so, what are your thoughts? If not, are you gonna try them? These things are pricey. $15 for this. That's why I said it's gonna be used for something, just not what I intended it to be used for. But $15 for this. It's a lot of gel, I will give them that, but Eco, you get that whole big thing of Eco for $10. You don't leave a waxy feeling. So if you know what's leaving that waxy film on there too, let me know. I don't know, out of these ingredients, I don't really know. But alright, I'll see you all in my next video.